Alrighty, so we have just checked into Sofitel Broadbeach, and let me give you a quick room tour. Hello everyone, this is me, not included in the room tour, and here is the first glance of the room. It's quite spacious, isn't it? And just look at the view. Let me show you from the balcony. Unfortunately, it's raining today, otherwise, the view is just gorgeous, isn't it? And then there is a little sitting space out here where you can sit, chill, enjoy your coffee or perhaps a glass of wine. Okay, so we are back inside. They have got us a bottle of Wav, 2 champagne glasses, and some welcome sweets. By the way, there's a little coffee station here. Then the bed is of king size and it's pretty comfortable. And moving forward to the bathroom. Bathroom is also quite spacious, and it has all the main toiletries here, and it has also got a beautiful view, which means you can enjoy the view while soaking into this jacuzzi down here with your favorite glass of wine. Yeah, it looks amazing out here. Okay, so let's just go outside. Then there is a little tea station here. Then we have got some hangers and robes and a locker where you can put all your valuables in. Then the next one has got an ironing board and iron. Basically, it's quite spacious where you can put all your stuff in. I really like the size of wardrobe. And yeah, so this was the room tour, and I would definitely recommend staying here if you are in Gold Coast. Bye bye.